Hello, welcome back. So in this particular video, we are going to cover that how you can install OpenFOAM, and along with that, we are also going to see that how you can create a similar setup that you see in all our lecture videos so that you can easily follow our lectures. We can install OpenFOAM in three different ways. First one is we can install by locally compiling the OpenFOAM. The second is we can install using sudo apt-get, and the third one is using Docker. So the use of Docker I have explained in our hands-on CFD using open source tools, and here also we'll include that particular part in one of the sections in this particular series. Therefore, this particular series is provided free to all our students so that they can refer to this one and get your entire environment set up, including the editor as well as the visualizer. So let's start.